Automotive engineers have been tackling unwanted vehicle noise for decades. Squeaks and rattles can give an impression of poor quality. Excessive road noise or drivetrain vibration can deter from the overall driving experience. Reducing noise, vibration, and harshness, or NVH, is even more challenging with electric vehicles, which are quieter than traditional gas-powered vehicles. I'm joined today by Randy Rozema, mechanical engineer and principal at ACS. Located near Madison, Wisconsin, ACS designs and builds production equipment, controls, test cells, and even entire factories for a variety of industries, including automotive, aerospace, energy, and food manufacturing. Randy's area of expertise is acoustics and vibration testing. Randy, welcome to Assembly Audible.
Thank you for having me, Jennifer.
Why is NVH testing a big deal with electric vehicles?
So in the automotive sector, what you have is this transition that's happening from the internal combustion engine to electrification, which is a big deal in the sense that the traditional vehicle with internal combustion engine has a masking quality to it. The sound of your engine and your drivetrain is covering up sounds that are becoming evident and heard today with the electrification process. So now we are seeing that the automotive industry with electrification has to deal with things such as airbag noise or interior compartment noise, things that historically would not have come through that now they have to deal with from a buzz, squeak, rattle perspective.
I see. Okay, so what equipment and facilities are needed to do NVH testing? Is it standard or custom?
It is going to be usually specialty equipment, both from the facility side as well as the data acquisition and measurement side. So depending on the type of measurements that are being done, you're going to have what's referred to as an anechoic or a semi-anechoic room, which is going to be a space that's free of echo. So there will be no sound basically returned to the sound source that's emitting, which will allow for the direct sound levels to be measured by the measurement equipment. Similarly, though, there is also something referred to as a reverberation room, which is a room that is full of echoes. And that room is specialty in the sense of they use it for doing sound absorption tests. So they're measuring how much sound is your carpet in your vehicle going to absorb, or how much will the headliner impact, or the seats and interior finishes. And then there are other specialty tests where the semi-anechoic room and the reverberation room can be coupled together through what's called a transmission loss opening. In that application, you're going to find that a sound source is going to be excited in one side and acoustic measurements collected on the other side to determine how much noise is actually passing through a substrate or a material that is being used to build your car or any other product for that matter. And then the last piece, as you had alluded to, was that harshness piece, which it really comprises the buzz, squeak, rattle, and the sound quality of product. And for that, there are specialty like shaker systems and things of that nature where you're going to impart a vibration into a component and then measure what is its noise radiated.
You can find ACS online at acscm.com or get in touch with Randy or anyone from the ACS team via their contact page on their website.